Bhaktivedanta Bhan Maharaj and translated by Srila Bhakti Vedant Paramahansa Maharaj.
नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरव गोविंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरु
First of all, I offer my Dandavat pranams.
अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज जी के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूं। तत्पश्चात
After that,
प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री स्वामी महाराज
I also extend Dandavat pranams to Bhaktivedanta Sri Swami Maharaj, Prabhupada Charan, Sripad Madhav Maharaj, Narasimha Maharaj, and Upasthit, all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas also extend Dandavat pranams. Now we are following the Damodar Vrat, Ujjeshwari Vrat, Kartik Vrat, Damodar Vrat, Niyam Seva Vrat. This is, there are so many names we have to do. 4 months we are keeping the Vrat, Chaturmasya Vrat, but this time we have followed Purushottam Vrat, Udik Mahina. Therefore this is 5 months we are following. Especially Kartik Vrat, Damodar Vrat, Niyam Seva Vrat. There is the speciality. Some are rejecting 3 months and doing 1 month. Therefore our Param Guru Dev Bhakti Bhagan Keshav Goswami Maharaj criticized this. No, we have to follow Chaturmasya Vrat because Mahaprabhu followed this Vrat. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan himself. Apani Achari Dharma Jivane Shikhai. He has followed everything, all rules and regulations, and therefore he has taught us to do everything. While we are traveling South India, then he went there. He stayed in the house of Venkat Bhatta, Trimala Bhatta, Prabhananda Saraswati. Mahaprabhu spoke about the glory of Krishna, and being satisfied, these people invited Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and stayed in their house for 4 months. Chaturmasya Vrat Mahaprabhu performed Chaturmasya Vrat. So very nice topics, the traditional pastimes of Radha Krishna, they have performed. And from the lips of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they have listened the glories of Radha Madhav, worshipped Radha and Krishna. Just Prabhupada Saraswati Pad wrote so many nice scriptures, Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi, and also published so many scriptures. So we have to follow Chaturmasya Vrat.
एक व्रत पालन, एक महीने पालन करना है नहीं है, 4 महीने।
Not only 1 month but 4 months we have to follow.
हम लोग की उसी धारा में महाप्रभु की
We are in this line.
परंपरा में, श्री गुरुदेव इसी महीने कार्तिक महीने
So Gurudev in this month
कथा आदि श्रवण कराते।
he used to glorify Damodar month, Damodar month, and we have the chance to listen.
और दसम स्कंद में
And also from the 10th canto, 9th chapter,
अध्याय में दामोदर बंधन की लीला,
9th chapter of 10th canto, he has glorified Damodar Ashtakam, the pastimes of Dambandhan Lila.
दामोदर कथा आदि श्रवण में महाराज जी उस दिन भी बता रहे थे, बहुत सुंदर।
Madhumara also glorifying nicely. What is the significance of this name Damodar?
एक होता है दामो उदरम दामोदरम।
Damo Udaram. Dam means rope.
गड़ी का क्या बोलते हैं? रस्सी बोलते हैं। उदर जिनकी उदर में रस्सी के द्वारा
So, the belly of Bal Gopal being tied with the rope by Mother Jashoda. Therefore, he is called Damodar. Dam means rope, Udar means belly. Though we have to speak, we have to hear of 2 Damodars. One is Jashoda Damodar. Dasham 10th canto 9th chapter. There is Sukadeva Goswami also explained nicely about Dambandhan pastimes.
रस्सी के द्वारा
How yet with the rope, how Mother Jashoda tied tied the rope, tied Bal Gopal with the matter. This is a parental mood. The pastime is based on parental mood, and in Shastra it is described also about the Radha Damodar in the mood of sweetness. Where Srila Gurudev used to speak, Srila Sanatana Goswami explained, one form is one form is ready to relish the Vatsalya Melo of Mother Jashoda. Therefore, he is being tied with the rope by Mother Jashoda. At the beginning, Satyavrata Muni,
कृष्ण के कैसे समझन के नमामि
how Satyavrata Muni described by offering obeisances to Damodar. Namami Ishwaram, I offer obeisances to Ishwar, Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is present everywhere, each and every molecule and particles. If according to Tattva Siddhanta, Bhagavan is present everywhere, those who are knowledgeable person, Jnani people speaking of the Brahma, Yogi people speak of Paramatma Supasana, the devotee through the process of bhakti, is speaking about one devotee's category is mood of opulence, another is mood of sweetness. Virat's the universal form in the Oishwarya mark, one can see. And in the mode of sweetness, the devotees are worshipping. They have to worship Thakur in the mode of sweetness, the divine couple of Radha Krishna. That was Satyavrata Muni, how Bal Gopal being tied by his mother. That means Vatsalya due to the presence of Vatsalya mood, and through this mood, Mata Jashoda tried to capture Krishna. In Krishna there is a divine divinity, a divine power. There is a difference between the human being and the Bhagavan. Some human being can see, can show us something, but in Bhagavan there is no duplicity. completeness of Bhagavad Sakta within the devotees is very expert par excellence. All the Vaishadya, Bijya, Jas, Sri, Gyan, Vairagya, all these four qualities will be available in the character of Lord Sri Krishna. Krishna being confined my mother Jashoda. Can you tell me Krishna is not inside and outside of the rope? Yes, Krishna is present everywhere. So how Mother Jashoda tied him? By his parental affection for Bal Gopal. Secondly, Krishna himself. Shukdev Goswami is telling that, oh my dear king, seeing this anxiety of Mother Jashoda and emotion, see Krishna himself being confined. With Bal Gopal, Bal Gopal going to be tied with the rope of Mother Jashoda, the two fingers comes to short. The perspiration also coming from the body of the if you do hard labor, the perspiration will come. During the time of coolness, if you do hard labor, the body will become in the mood of opulence, your body will be heat. If you be following the procession of bhakti, Mother seen that how he in the path of opulence, nobody can tie him, confine him. The devotees had endless qualities, endless qualities and endless pastimes. So we cannot complete his qualities. We have heard the stories of Kaliyo. When Krishna jumped into the Jamuna's water, the Kaliyo became very much angry. Kaliyo by his belt tied Krishna. By snake belt, he tied to Krishna. The snake, what? So Krishna performed pastimes with Kaliyo snake and manifesting his mood of anger. He said that Bhagavan it can become so teeny, more than the teeny object. Even he bigger than the biggest so Krishna in order to deliver the Shobha. In Ramlila, in Raman pastime, when is crossing the ocean, that the Raksha raised his hands and telling to, I will engulf you. Hanuman told her that I am going to the service of Sri Ramchandra. It is your duty to show your mercy. But he did not pay any listen. Then one Rakshasa came out from the water and spread her eyes so that all the Ma Jashoda doing so much hard labor, seeing this anxiety awake. Krishna himself admitted his
यही तत्व विचार है। तत्व विचार से
he confirmed himself. This is the scriptural decisions. Scriptural decisions. So everyone must know and follow this one.
क्यों भगवान से भी बड़े वस्तु
Nobody is bigger than the Supreme Lord.
न कष्ट अधिकस्त दृश्यते। उनके अधिक वस्तु तो समान वस्तु बहुत दूर की बात है।
अच्छा.
ये उनके अधिक वस्तु तो दूर की बात है, उनके समान ही भी वस्तु नहीं है।
The objects that equal with him, we have nothing.
तो जिस कथा प्रसंग में हम
In this context,
माँ यशोदा कैसे गोपाल को वैसे बांध दिया।
how Krishna started his playing the flutes, and it is increasing day by day by calling others from.
ना मासूम कैसे परिश्रम उत्कंठा आवेदन देकर उसी प्रकार
In this way, the sadhak
साधक जो है भगवान को प्राप्ति करने के लिए
sadhak
ऐसे
also,
प्रबल उत्कंठा और आवेश है।
we need the anxiety and emotion to get that mercy. And for the Raganuga bhajan, we need two objects. One is kirtan, another is emotion. We must die. Karange ya marange, we need two objects. And he was being absorbed. I will not give him up. Therefore, Mahaprabhu has given two duties. One is cat nine, and another is
छोटे-छोटे बच्चे को क्या करते हैं? दांत में लेकर के एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान में चले जाते। और इनके छोटे बच्चा जो है मामू संपूर्ण ठंडा का
the small one is when mother cat giving birth to baby, then some it depends always him. This is called Sharanagati. And Markat means false. The bandari, the she monkey not hold up their sons. Just like mother when cat is trying to catch the rat, then this is like a death-like feeling. But when this cat holding his own son, it becomes full of the Vatsalya Ras. First, while we were speaking, first we speak of Jashoda Damodar, and secondly Radha Damodar. He has given this type of three types of Madhurya Ras.
और यहाँ पर गुरुदेव जो वर्णन कर रहे हैं, ये माधुर्य रस से जो है तीन बताए।
Madhurya Ras are three types of Radha, Damodar. Who has taken vow, who are with Krishna, what happened to Radha and Krishna. We have to discuss this. First, Gurudev is to speak.
ये दूसरा अर्थ ही है, अर्थात वात्सल्य रस के छोड़ करके जो माधुर्य रस के द्वारा कृष्ण के
Satyavruta Muni,
जब कृष्ण रास से अंतर्ध्यान हुए और इसके बाद पुनः प्रकट हुए तो सेवा
Satyavruta Muni
मानसरोवर में मान बंद कर रास प्रारंभ होने के पूर्व ही ललिता और विशाखा ने श्री कृष्ण को पीताम्बर और राधा जी के ओढ़नी के गांठ बांध दी ताकि कृष्ण अब इधर उधर नहीं भागे, इसलिए इसके नाम हो गया राधा
Damodar.
तो बात के एक हो गया।
First Vatsalya Ras, secondly is Madhurya Ras. Madhurya Ras is three types of. First is Radha Damodar. That means
क्या बताया ललिता विशाखा आदि ये ललिता और विशाखा ने श्री कृष्ण के पिताम्बर
Yes,
वो राधा के
Lolita
ओढ़ी में गांठ बंधर दी
gave Sri Krishna's Pitambar yellow cloth
जिस कथा हम श्रवण के सेवा करने की कथा श्रवण करते हैं
to
सेवा करने में सुंदर रास में लिप्त रास चल
we have heard the glories of Seva Kunja, how nicely Rasali pastime going to take place, and in the meantime how Krishna in crooked way Krishna used to meet with the Brajagopis, and for other Shakis of Radharani went into man, and
सेवा करने के स्थान छोड़ करके कहाँ थी वहाँ पर जो 4 गलियां रूप सनातन की चारी तरफ कितने गलियां हैं 4
then in Rupsanathan there are 4 lanes, Dan Goli, Man Goli,
कुंज गली
Kunja
और
Goli,
यमुना गली दान गली मान गली कुंज गली यमुना हैं ये विशेष जो मान गली जो कहा जाता है राधा जी मान
there
गली
are
होकर के
4 speciality
कहाँ गई यमुना पार करके
where
अभी जो है मान सरोवर लेकिन हम लोग
when Radharani went into Shalkimu, he rejected the Rasalila, and he 5 miles away she went to the Damban pastimes took place.
मानवती ये मान किसी
As I
टेढ़े हो जाते हैं
said, man means crooked.
प्रेम ऐसे जब वक्रता
The prem is just like this. When it took the form of crookedness, then it becomes manifest.
स्नेह मान प्रणय राग विराग भाव महाभा रूढ़ उदरूढ़ मोहन मादन और मादनाक्ष महाभा मान की परिभाषा करते हैं कहते क्या जब प्रेम धारण करके स्नेह हो जाता है
As a man, sneho man pranay, man, when it becomes condensed in pranay,
मान की लक्षण क्या
man, ohireva meva, means snake.
टेढ़े मेढ़े पे चलते सांप कभी सीधे टेढ़े मेढ़े उसी प्रकार
The snake becomes crooked, the man also just like crooked.
हम लोग उसमें देखा
We have seen.
मानसरोवर की
This is Mansarovar. You see the form of Radha Kunda.
किंतु देखो
But you
मानसरोवर
see,
कैसे
Mansarovar is also a tere mere, means crooked. If you see little bit,
फोटो ले आपको
if you
लगेगा
take
एक सांप मानो ऐसे चल रहे हैं
so 1 month has been passed, 1 year has been passed in this way.
मान सरोवर के चित्र ले और सूक्ष्म रूप में देखे
If you
ऐसे देखेंगे
listen
ये मान सरोवर मानो ऐसे सर्प के भांति ऐसे टेढ़े मेढ़े देखा कि नहीं देखा मैंने कहा था, देखो जैसे दूर से जो है देखो टेढ़े मेढ़े ऐसे बिल्कुल सर्प के आकार है
You see in the form of the word.
जोगमाया के द्वारा
By the influence of Yogamayana, Krishna's great grandson Prabhupada, when he made all the holes,
ये सब तो लीला आदि स्मरण
all these pastimes,
आज स्वयं राधा जी वहीं पर मान करके क्या करेंगे
as a being going in insulted mood, Radharani
उनके आंखों के आंसू से
gone into this place, and from the tears of her eyes made this kundo. This is transcendental, of prakrito, unnatural.
मान कई प्रकार की मान
There are different types of man. Usually in
मानव की
Mani
अनेक प्रकार मान दिखाए
there are different types of man. 2 types man are famous. One is Lolit man, another
क्या मान
is
बताएगा केला खाना उदात्त मान ललित मान और
Lolit man or Udatta man.
ललित मान और
Udatta man.
राधा आदि गोपियों में जो मान होता है उसको कहा जाता है ललित मान कहा जाता है चंद्रावली आदि में जो मान होता है उसको कहा जाता है
Radharani in Radharani and others Lolit man, and Chandravali Adi man Yogamaya,
ललित मान और
Lolit Madhav and Udatta man.
राधा जी की जो मान है
Radhaji's man is Lolit man here, very beautiful.
महिमा
Such a how glorious the place of this in Mansarovar.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
Again
वह
Krishna,
राधा जी को मान मनाया
Krishna broken the Salki mood of Radharani and gave prasadam.
जो राधा जी
When
जब
Radharani-
पुनः जब स्थान पर आए सेवा कुंज में तब उस समय
Then that time
ललिता विशाखा
Then
आदि
Lalita
से
Vishakha,
कृष्ण के पीताम्बर के साथ
we are in
राधा
this
जी
Krishna
गांठ
Pitambar.
बांधी ताकि कृष्ण और इधर उधर नहीं भागे।
And don't go here and there because he is famous for Radha Damodar.
किसी के पुराण में भी ऐसे
In this Purana it is said that even Krishna, before Krishna appears, Radharani himself through this flame
कमर में जो है फूलों की मालों के द्वारा बंधन कर दी।
with the rope of the flowers, with the lobe of the flower, Krishna
इसलिए कहा जाता है
therefore it is
राधा
said,
दामोदर।
therefore it is called Radha Damodar.
तीसरे दामोदर का
The third Damodar is, third meaning is when Sri Krishna used to going with for Radharani, which may Padmavati in between call and bathing him and gave clothes. Here Radharani also feeling very anxious.
जब गौरी कुंड में पहुंची तब श्याम से कहती है अजी अघारी
After Keshi Gajja, Aghari, Asur took the form of Asur. Whole of Brajavasi being destroyed. O Sakhi Chandrababu, I am myself. I am coming, just killing this demon. Please wait. Manjaris are gone out, coming out from Chandrabali's Kunja. Make Shamsundar out of their personal room, and they have given tied the clothes of Krishna with Radha Damodar. This speech is a Bilab Kushma Munja. There is the reference. Very beautiful speech once. Radharani was with Shokis present there. Today night time, Krishna himself, where they meet with Srimati Radharani. Sapaka, Viveksha, Tatastapaka, Sweetpaka, these types of four Shokis. Deva Krishna, what did he gave the signal? What signal? Again and again. Indicating the hair of the head. Krishna understood. Radhaji understood. Where we will meet with Govindaji.
कृष्ण बार बार जब अपने केसों पे जो है बाल पे जो है ऐसे बार बार संभाल है गोपियां समझ जाती है इस तरह से संकेत डायरेक्ट नहीं बोलते।
It is not directly speaking, but indirectly. Today Govinda will meet with Kesar Kunja. Sometimes Krishna taking the tulsi leaves and making it welcome. Today Krishna and Radha will meet with Bhajit Kunja. So the stage of prem, प्रेमिका को जानते हैं। Through the messenger, through the signals, they are given a signal. You think that what they are given the signal, I thought they have to meet with the Kesar Kunja. You see, the Sukhi of Chandrabali Padma.
राधारी गोपियों के साथ कहाँ मिलेंगे? ये सब विपक्ष पार्टी चंद्रावली के पास पद्मानी
what Padma did when Krishna.
राधारी के साथ मिलने के लिए चले और
Krishna had ready to meet with Krishna on starting. Govinda is to tell, Hari, who are you? I am your servant Padma. Padma. What happens?
Hey
Govinda.
Our
our Mrs. Sokhi Chandrabali very suffering in separation from you. In this kunja, Chandravali had made a very nice, very nice sage for the time being.
चंद्रावली के
After some time, Chandravali,
जब इस प्रकार कहने लगे
in this show it has been spoken that without you, Chandravali could not survive.
तुम इसके बाद जहाँ जाना है जाओ
After that, wherever you go, you can go.
अल्प समय के लिए
But for the time being,
मेरे
very
सभी
little
चंद्रावली के
time.
कुंज में
But you should come into the house of Chandravali.
कृष्ण विचार करने लगे।
Krishna was thinking, okay.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
But
चंद्रावली
Krishna
के कुंज
told,
में प्रवेश किया
Krishna entered into the kunja.
और इधर केशव कुंज में राधा जी
Here, another place, Radharani also made so nice garlands for Krishna. And himself did singer.
कुंज के जो फूलों के द्वारा लताओं के द्वारा सजाया
And decorated with nice
पुष्प आदि के द्वारा
flowers.
पीले पीले पुष्प आदि के द्वारा
With the yellow flowers.
क्या बोले ये महाराज जी जो मोजा पहने हुए हैं पिंक कलर
Pink color.
इतने सुंदर के बना
So
रहे
very nice pink color.
सब सखियां
All Sakhis are decorating themselves very nicely for Krishna's pleasure.
समय होती हुई चली जा रही
Time is going to be passing.
किंतु आज गोविंद नहीं पड़ा
Today Govinda not
तो
calling.
राधा जी के मन में
Then
बहुत
Radharani
मान ली
thinking himself.
आज गोविंद हमारे पास नहीं आ रहे जरूर कृष्णा आज कहीं चले गए
Somewhere Krishna has gone somewhere else.
इसे राधा जी के इसी प्रकार अस्त
Therefore,
व्यस्त आदि देख करके
that seeing this busy schedule of Radharani, Rupamanjari, Rutimanjari,
ये दोनों के अभी भोज खोजने लगे
they are searching.
आज गोविंद कहाँ पर
Today where Govinda is now.
आज और ढूंढते ढूंढते
And while searching,
इतने सुगंधर रहे
they have smelled the fragrance of Krishna's body.
तो अब उसी दिशा को निर्देश
Then-
करके रूपमंजरी रतिमंजरी उस कुंज के बाहर खड़े हुए अभी गोविंद के कैसे
So,
कुंज से निकाल
as
निकले।
Krishna, as before there is some situation that made them, Krishna made them alignment. But when they come into the pure devotees of the Lord, and this same person began to chant loudly, Gauranga, Gauranga, Nityananda, Nityananda. Without you, nobody can protect us. So this speech, this speech will be delivered into the whole of the year. And this what the tears coming out from the cheeks. This is just like the one kunda Viraha. Viraha like definition. Krishna is telling, O Chandravali.
हमारे माँ जो है यशोदा जी,
and
मेरे कुछ काम के लिए मुझे बता
for there is some business for me. So I have to go. Your Sokhi.
तुम्हारे कुंज में लेकर गए कोई भी बात नहीं है किंतु मेरे माँ
I don't nothing. माँ मुझे दायित्व
वो मैं
दिया है.
काम पूरा करके मैं आ रहा हूँ
I have to fulfill up this. I have filled up this job that I have given provided to me. If I become late, don't worry. If I have to go in the next year, next time. What they did,
रावणी के कुंज से बाहर
he came out from the Chandravali's kunja.
उदात्त मान होते हैं जो बोल देते उसके माँ
Very liberal. He became very much going in sulking, puffed up mental. When they came out of kunja, then Manjari also, Rupamanjari, Rutimanjari.
गोविंद के पकड़ करके और ना जाने कैसे कैसे उलाहना भी दे
Sometimes there is example.
यहाँ की तुमको नालिश कर कहाँ जल साहब के साथ कौन श्रीमती राधा ऐसे ऐसे सुंदर वर्णन है शास्त्र में
In Shastra it has been described how the Vatsala mood, Dasa mood from so prominent in those there is so small speech. What the Manjari is this? That is written by Sri Gurudev,
रूपमंजरी और रतिमंजरी
Rupamanjari and Rutimanjari.
राधा कृष्ण को
Rupamanjari and go.
और राधा जी को क्या कर दिया बांध दिया
By his power of bhakti, at last Maharaj Jashananda Bhag.
अब ये कौन बांधा रूपमंजरी और
They are getting in order to meet with Rutimanjari, Anangamanjari,
कंस
some sundars
इसलिए उसके नाम है
with the rope of with the help of Mother Yashoda, tied Bal Gopal. That's what this is called Radha Damodar. Once upon a time, when Radha and Krishna
एक साथ में बैठे हुए थे।
staying side by side.
आगे जैसे गांठोली गांव की कथा है जहाँ पर
And there's a story of Gatholi village where Radha Krishna's cloth being confined
वो गांठ बंधन करते हैं।
confined by
और गांठ बंधन करके विवाह की कथा विवाह की जो लोरी होता है क्या होता है विवाह के जो नहीं गांठ वो ये होता है क्या होता है वो गाठबंधन के बाद होता है ना उनके जो स्त्रियां जो गीत गाती है मंगल में नहीं होता हाँ ब्रज में होता है ना
in Braj his songs take place, but in Gaur not.
राधा कृष्ण की लीला में बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे विवाह हो रहा है तो
हाँ समझ नहीं तो ये राधा कृष्ण रचित हो गया
अच्छा Radha Krishna became very much feel ashamed.
विवाह की क्यों लड़ी क्यों
Why
बता रहे हैं इससे?
why they speak of
तो
the
एक दूसरे के बगने लगे देखा तो वो बांध हो गया है एक के
one way.
कपड़े के साथ दूसरे के कपड़े के साथ
Shamsundar's clothes being tied with the cloth of Lalita Sakhi there. Then Sri Gurudev also used to speak the one side and one side. Sakhi also tied Radha Govinda, therefore she is called Radha Damodar and Gatholi Gaon.
इसलिए एक साथ
Therefore,
दामोदर के नाम में
the four Damodars.
क्या क्या फिर बताओ एक तो 62 वर्ष के दूसरा दामोदर हो गया अब
Secondly, Radha Damodar.
एक सखियों ने बना दूसरी
Sakhi's and Lolita Vishakha.
दूसरी जो है रुक्मिणी ने बना और तीसरी और कई सखियों ने बांध दिया देखो
You
ये
see,
मां सती बहुत सुंदर है
this mass is very nice,
किंतु वात्सल्य रस की कथा
but speech of Vatsalya Ras,
परीक्षित महाराज को श्रवण कराया सुनाया जिस कथा प्रसंग वर्णन करते हैं एकदा
Once,
माँ जसोदा ने
Yashoda
सारे परिचारिका को अपने जो सखियां जो परिचारिका जो सेवा आदि करते थे उनको क्या कर दिया छुट्टी दे विशेष करके दीपावली के समय है
during the time of Deepavali,
दीपावली के समय
all feeling very pleasure and doing merrymaking. All Sakhis used to do like this.
आदि करो सुंदर रूप में सजाओ दीपदान दो सुंदर रूप में सजाओ
Then you have to decorate to the ourselves very nicely.
क्यों
Why?
ना माँ जसोदा
Because Mata Yashoda is considering that
आकर के हमें उल्हाना देते अरे माँ
when
जसोदे
you see your Mata
तेरे
Yashoda,
गोपाल
your Gopal, very naughty.
नटखट है हमारे घर में आकर के कैसे उपद्रव
Coming into our house, he is creating so much disturbances to my sons, those who are sleeping.
कैसे बोले क्या करते
What you did? One is stealing the butter.
मक्खन नहीं हो
Give
क्या
that
करते?
fresh, then he has to
सारे
broke
मक्खन को क्या कर देते हैं
through the
और इतनी गुस्सा भी आ
floor.
जाते
Then again he become very much hungry.
ताजे मक्खन नहीं है
In his house there is no mysterious butter. But
और न्याय करनी नहीं गोपाल क्या करते हैं
what Gopal did,
पायखाना और पेशाबी करके जाते
steal and eat and you have to give up and went inside.
हैं। इसमें वर्णन है
It has been described.
हमारे टीकाकारों ने वर्णन किया
Our commentators
ये
also
इसके
described
इस गोपियों की
and
इस
this
गोपी के घर में
gopis
ताजा मक्खन नहीं है दो एक दिन के मक्खन रखा
so one day he kept the butter, but sometimes
गैस हो गया खट्टा हो गया
suddenly it becomes gas
तो गोपाल क्या
form.
करते
And what Gopal did,
हम भी नहीं खाएंगे तुमको भी खाने नहीं देंगे
I will not feed to you also, you will not feed me.
खट्टा मक्खन खा लो तुम्हारे पेट खराब हो जाए तुम्हारे बेटा बेटी के पेट खराब हो जाए इसलिए कृष्ण ने कहा
Therefore
कि
Krishna has told, I will not eat, also others also they have to follow.
और दूसरी क्या करते हैं और उसी घर में
What happened the second time, and in the same house they have to pass the stool and urine.
गोपाल क्या कहना चाहते हैं क्या
what Gopal wanted to see,
जहाँ पर
wanted to
भगवान की
speak,
सेवा नहीं हो,
where they are in a service to Bhagavan, in a service to Bhagavan.
वो गृह कैसे है?
What type of separation? This is
शास्त्र में
called
कहा गया जिस स्थान पर भगवान की सेवा नहीं होती,
where there is no place
वो
for
स्थान
service
क्या
to
अत्यंत
Bhagavan. And this place is very nice.
मलमूत्र के स्थान का
This is not place of Malmutra.
है, न जत्र वैकुंठ कथा सुधापका,
Until Bhagavan Sri Krishna no speech or nectarial speech of Radha Damodar.
देवता की भांति
They are
वैश्य
like they are demigods. They have so much opulences, but they have to
देवता की भांति इंद्र आदि देवता
they
की
have to
भांति
follow it.
अत्यंत ऐश्वर्य होने पर भी वो कैसे है?
What type of he is?
बोले अत्यंत अपवित्र स्थान हो जाता है, वो गृह नहीं है।
This building, not building where there is no service to service to Krishna.
चूहा जो है बीट बनाते गर्त बनाते और उसके गर्त में कौन घुस जाता है? सांप घुस जाता है।
And if there is a hole, then snake enters inside the house, first eating. Before going to Bengal, there is eating offal.
वो स्वयं रहता है।
Bill may he has to speak, he will stay there.
चूहे क्या करते
But
हैं?
what the Indoor and
एक
devotees
सपेरा जो है,
also
किसी प्रकार के जो है सांप को जो है पकड़ लिया और सांप
serving.
के पकड़ करके एक उसमें रख दिया, क्या बोले? टोकरी में रख दिया, बंद कर दिया। हैं? सांप अभी बाहर निकल नहीं सकते, लेकिन ना सपेरा
one
रखते
stake
हैं ना।
being caught by the cowherd boys and kept inside the wooden box and kept inside from kept outside. We
वृंदावन में
opened
देखा ना, मेरे गले में डाला तो उसके हाथ में टोकरी थी,
महाराज जी इतना बड़ा
उसके हाथ में टोकरी में थी दूसरा।
इतना बड़ा अजगर को जो महाराज गले में माला के रूप में रख दिया, वायरल बहुत हो गया।
वायरल हो गया।
हाँ, इसलिए वायरल हो जाता है, बहुत लोग देखते रहते हैं।
बहुत लोग देखा।
हाँ, हजारों लोग देखते हैं। अच्छा, तो ये चूहा क्या हो गया?
what happened to that he was caught handed in the
उसको खाने
cage.
के लिए क्या देते? चूहा भी दे देते।
What Chuha used to eat. The snake is very clever. How long I will stay here like this? In the meantime, Chuha also seeing the snake become, seeing this still seeing that red.
तुम भी यहाँ पर है, तुम मेरा
You are also here. You are. I have to eat you.
मैं यहाँ पर हूँ।
I am
एक
also
काम
here.
करो,
You should
तुम
do
मुझे
one job.
इस टोकरी से मुझे निकाल
You
दो।
should make me out of this. Out of this.
बहुत बढ़िया क्या होते हैं?
तीक्ष्ण
तीक्ष्ण दांत है। इससे तीक्ष्ण दांत क्या है? ये
Out of this wooden box. So you should make me out. And throw your sharp nails. You should make me out of this box. She
चूहा कहने लगे भाई तुमको मैं तुम तो बाहर हो जाओगे और फिर बाहर
अच्छा।
खा जाओगे तो क्या होगा? सांप कहने लगे भाई नहीं नहीं मैं तुमको वचन देता हूँ, देखो हम लोग दोनों ही जो है एक नाव
you
में
see.
बैठे हुए
We have to sit
तुम
in
भी
the one
बंदी है
boat.
मैं भी बंदी हूँ।
You are also content. I am also content. But you are my footsteps still from in this danger. I am thinking my friend. Therefore, I am giving you the
तुम ये चेक कर दो, मैं बाहर
promise
निकलूंगा, बाहर
that you should untie me. Then I came out.
देखो चूहा विचार करने लगे भाई, हम
That
चेक
is
करें,
thinking
नहीं करें,
whether
तो बात है।
whether it is
है? इसलिए
it can cut this cage or not. But I have to die today.
सांप बाहर आए।
The snake
सांप जब बाहर आ गए,
came
सांप
out
बोले, इतने दिन तो मैं
from the houses.
अंदर, रहा, मैं भोजन भी करना है।
And I have doing bhajan there.
इसलिए चूहा जब आ गए, तब कहने चूहे
And the
मैं
nights
तुमको छोड़ना नहीं, छोड़ना नहीं।
when
तुम जानते हो किसके साथ मित्रता करना है, किसके साथ
the snake,
मित्रता नहीं है। हैं?
the rat
उसमें क्या
and
सीखते
the
रहे?
snake.
हैं?
And
फर्क क्या है?
when when it comes out from the cage, नहीं करने से those it is our instruction that we should not make any friendship with the cheating persons. In Hitopadesh there are Sanskrit instructions that Tulsidas also wrote. Don't make any friendship with the naughty persons. कामी हरि कथा, those who are attached.
एक पैसा खर्च नहीं करना नहीं चाहते, उसके बैरागी कथा सुनाने से कुछ होता है क्या? भाई तुम्हारी ये मरने के बाद ये कौन भगेगा?
After being killed, what happened to the others? What happened to others? How will you continue? This is actually nonsensical. What I have story told before.
दान चांद की कथा सुना दी।
Story of Dan Chand. But he is my Chand. But Dan Chand. But his name is Dan Chand. We have forgotten the story. It is useless. To speak nice topics with the naughty person. Those are thieves, dacoits, third class. In the Hitopadesh also it is said. Oh my dear mouse, you are call. Calls means you are quarrelsome person. But you have come out, but I will not let you free. The snake will give new life or not? Death is inevitable. That you should tell that I will not make you free. But now, what is the use of this? So, there is some nice verses of Tulsidas.
हम किस प्रसंग का है? ये दामोदर की कथा था।
We are speaking of Damodar confinement
इस महीने में जो है
in this month.
माँ जसोदा गोपाल
This month, Mad Jashoda, how tied Gopal with clothes.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
गोपाल कितने सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं।
Gopal, there is nice story of Gopal ji.
ये नमामि सारं सचिदानंदरूपं लसद्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं यशोदाभियोलो कलाब्दापमानं परामृष्टमत्तं ततो द्रुतगोपा रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं युग्मविजान्तं कराम्बुजयुग्मेन सातङ्कनेत्रं मुहुर्षासकम्पं त्रिरेखान्तकान्तं हितदेवतां
दामोदर भक्तिवर्धम् ईशारं चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलङ्गो कुले वजमानम्.
You have heard the story of Satyavrata Muni from Padma Puran, how he is glorifying Damodar, Namami Sharan. So the word Namami glorifying Damodar ji, Namaskar, Bostu Nirdesh. These three features first took place. Namami, paying obeisance, not ordinary one.
रस्सी के द्वारा बंधन किया, ओफर के साथ, कमर के साथ, ओफर के साथ बंधन किया.
This small boy Bal Gopal, not ordinary, who is being tied with a rope by Mother Jashoda, He is Sarveshwar. He is the controller.
ईश्वर की ईश्वर ही
He is
सर्वेश्वर।
the controller of all controllers.
ब्रह्मा शिव आदि के भी वंदनीय वो है।
He is being prayed by Brahma, Shiva, Sarveshwar. He is the controller of all controllers.
नाम है सर्वेश्वर।
Tumi Sarveshwareswar
तुम
Brajendra.
सर्वेश्वर
Brajendra Kumar.
तुम्हारा
Brajendra.
इच्छा है जीवे जन्म मरण। हैं? हमारे भक्तियों ठाकुर
Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur also
सर्वेश्वर
wrote.
भजेंद्र नंदन। हृदय भजनंदन श्याम सुंदर सर्वेश्वर है।
Brajanand Sri Krishna, Sarveshwar, Shyam Sundar, Sri Sukdev Goswami also glorified. Krishna is himself the Supreme Lord.
स्वयं भगवान
Krishna himself the Swayam Bhagavan.
वो कोई साधारण नहीं है।
He is not ordinary
किंतु
one.
आज
But today,
कैसे भक्त के विनोदन करने के लिए
in order to give pleasure
आनंद प्रदान करने के
to
लिए
the devotees,
है, कैसे लीला आदि का यही कर कृष्ण नित्य बिलो वृंदावन धाम से अपने परिकर धाम आदि के द्वारा वो लीला पे भी प्रकाश करते हैं। भगवान की लीला कैसे अपराध नाम
here the devotee has to manifest the pastimes of the Lord. Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila, Parikar, name, quality, pastimes, and the associates are all transcendental, not material. If you not listen,
दोष लगेगा।
if you not
अजय
listen,
नाथ क्रीड़ा
Jasutta Taro Bhave.
जासुत्वा तत्परो भवेत्। श्रवण के बाद उसमें अनेक
After
लोग
hearing, you should be absorbed here. After Shravan, someone should be absorbed what we have heard.
भगवान
Anugrah Bhaktana Manusing Tanumasrita.
दुष्ट के निग्रह
In order to kill the miscreant people and giving pleasure to the devotees. There are two types of pastimes. One is giving mercy and another is killing someone else. Those who are naughty,
दंड देने के लिए
we should give punishment to someone
भगवान
else.
के वो भी लीला करते हैं।
And it is also pastimes.
असुरों के दंड देने के लिए
We should give punishment to the demons. It is his pastimes.
भक्तों के अनुग्रह करने के बाद
In order
करने के
to,
लिए वो भी लीला करते हैं। हजारों साल तक जो भक्त
we
लोग
have to give
उनकी मंत्र
pleasure
आदि
to the
उनके
devotees.
दर्शन करने के लिए तड़प रहे हैं।
Bhagavan also
ऐसे
partly
भक्तों
pastimes.
भी दर्शन देने के लिए
We have to give
भगवान भी
दर्शन
वृंदावन धाम से
of the devotee Krishna also from the Golok Vivin used to appear, come down into this world.
दिखा दे।
That is the
ऐसे लीला के ऐसे सुंदर जो लीला
how so nice pastimes.
वृंदावन में होती रहती है।
In Nitya Golok Vrindavan, it is taking
और
place.
उसी लीला को स्वयं भगवान योगमाया के द्वारा
In these pastimes being manifested with the help of the Yogamaya Devi.
सच्चिदानंद रूपम
Satchidanandamay.
आनंदमय रूप
Satchid Anandamay.
है। ईश्वर ब्रह्म कृष्ण है। ईश्वर ब्रह्म कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद अनादिरादि गुरु सर्व कारण चिंतानंदमय विग्रह है।
Sri Krishna is Satchid Anandamay Devi. Sat transcendental, eternal, and full of pleasure.
अपराधी है।
Mayavadi, those who are followers of Mayavad, if we listen them, we also made offense.
ईश्वर ब्रह्म कृष्ण नमामि ईश्वर सच्चिदानंद रूपम लसत कुंडलम गोकुले
Lasat Kundalam.
और गोपाल कैसे गोकुल में
How Gopal in Gokul,
कैसे नंगे घड़े को होकर के
in his naked body, small body,
करधनी
using the waist belt on the chest, on the waist. How pleasuring to his devotees, how the Gopal is running.
लसत कुंडलम गोकुले भजमान जसोदा भियोरु फलाब्ध माँ जसोदा के भाई में भीत होकर के हैं वो फल से
Being afraid, my mother being afraid after seeing the stick in the hands of Mother Jashoda, he was running away.
घर के जंगला जो होता है बिल्कुल खुला होता है
In the window of the Brajavasis is
उसमें और कोई रेलिंग बासी कुछ नहीं जाता है इसलिए माँ जिंदगी भय से भीत होकर के गोपाल ने की छलांग लगे
being afraid of the Mother Jashoda, Gopal jumped from the matter and ran away.
दौड़ने की
Why the Gopal is
कहाँ
running?
की दौड़ रहे
Where from running away? In the
हमारे टीकाकार वर्णन वर्णन करते हैं कृष्ण ओली गली में रास्ते के द्वार रास्ता से नहीं दौड़ रहे, क्यों ना गोपाल जानते वहाँ से
why
वधू है, ओली गली रास्ते में चली जाएगी, किंतु राजपथ में माँ जाएगी। इसलिए बालक बहुत विद्वान भी है, पंडित
the Balak is very much, the boy is very much clever. He is not going in the lane, but he is going in the Rajpath, big road, highway,
है राजपथ
national highway.
आज तुम आज कृष्ण विचार के लिए माँ जसोदा आई, मुझे
Mother Jasoda will not come in this highway road. So he is giving them the lane, he is running. So the run. But today Mother Jasoda is not so less powerful. Today Mother Jasoda was stick to give punishment to his boy, small boy. So he is the naughty. You see.
अनंत कोटि विश्व ब्रह्मांड के दंड देने वाले
So,
आज भगवान के दंड देने वाले कौन है? माँ जसोदा। विपरीत हो रहा है? भगवान कहते जदा जदे धर्म से ग्लानि भवति भारत, है? दुष्ट के दंड देने के लिए भगवान इस संसार में प्रकट होते हैं। आज भगवान के दंड देने के लिए
Krishna appeared to give punishment to the misguided persons, but Mother just now running towards the Supreme Lord, who is giving punishment to the others. Now Krishna is ready to give punishment. Mother is ready to give punishment to the Supreme Lord. Now this person cannot see in Vaikuntha or in any other place. Now Ramlok or Golok Vrindavan also not available. Not Dwaraka, not Mathura. This pastime not available.
जो अनंत कोटि विश्व ब्रह्मांड के मालिक,
who is the owner of the unknowable universes.
और वही बालक गोपाल,
This girl Bal Gopal, who is the owner of the whole universes, and he was being afraid and ran away through the highway.
दंड देने के लिए हाथ में मिट्टी लेकर
Mother Jasoda ready to give punishment and running towards boy with the stick in his hand, not open hand but the stick in his hand. In this way, in Vaikuntha, he is using Shankara Gada Padma in his hands. That's similarly, see, but this is opposite now what is going on. This a very little thin stick. Krishna to his hands. He is running towards Gopal. Our Acharya is explaining that the beauty of Krishna. When you are glorifying Krishna personally, automatically, in order to give in Mother Jasoda going towards to catch hold with the stick. How beautiful this is seen if you think. If you take thick stick, but you cannot beat. But with thin stick in the hands, it is very easily beatable to the others. When you are in the school, our teacher, with the stick they have to beat. Oh, then what Mother Jasoda had done? He has taken the stick. The beauty of Mother Jasoda also has been described here. In the form of Krishna, everyone is describing in Srimad Bhagavatam also. In three verses, there will describe the beauty of Krishna. No Mideta Bhagavasya Dambaraya. Secondly, Vada Pirang. Samang Hiranya Paridhing Vanamalla Vada is by Gopis.
हैं? वो कि नहीं हो? किंतु देखो
You see,
यहाँ पर जो वर्णन होते जा रहे
here the
माँ
description
जो वर्णन
is
होते
here.
जा रहे हैं। जब माँ यशोदा
When Mother
गोपाल
Jashoda
के पीछे दौड़ रही है,
running towards Gopal,
उनकी सौंदर्य कैसे?
what is the beauty of the
एक
Bal
तो
Gopal?
प्रबंधी है, कभी बाहर घर से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे।
One to not going
किंतु
outside.
आज माँ यशोदा
Today Mother Jashoda
देखो राजपथ में दौड़ रही है।
running
कैसे?
Chodar
मतलब
highway,
उनके रूप वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
seeing the
माँ यशोदा
this
जब दौड़ रही है,
beauty, the
उनके
beauty
बाल
of
भी
the scenery
उड़ने लगे।
being
वो
displayed
तीव्र
by
गति से
Satyavrata Muni.
तीव्र गति से चले,
Is
दौड़े। उसके बाल भी
how
उड़ते रहते
long,
हैं कैसे?
I mean, how speedily Bal
वो भी
Gopal
एक
is
दूसरे को
running.
धारण कर लेते हैं।
He is also holding.
हाँ? हमारे आचार्य पाद वैष्णव
Our
लोग ऐसे
Acharya
वर्णन
Pad
करते
is
हैं,
explaining
माँ
nicely.
यशोदा जब दौड़
When
रही है,
Mother
माँ
Yashoda
कैसे
is
दौड़ रही है?
running,
कृष्ण जिस गति से दौड़ रही है, दौड़ रहे हैं,
in which speed
उसके
Krishna is
अधिक
running,
तीव्र
the
गति
more
से
speedily
भगवान
Mother
को-
Yashoda
तब तो
is
भगवान को
running.
पकड़ पाएंगे हैं? चोर जिस गति से दौड़ते हैं उससे अधिक गति से हैं? पुलिस को दौड़ना पड़ेगा।
Like how the
तो
thief
पुलिस चोर
runs,
को पकड़ सकते
more
हैं।
the thief, the police should run, then only you can catch the thief.
जिस गति से
In the same way, Krishna is running very speedily and Mother Yashoda also should run more speed than Krishna so that she can catch Krishna.
और उस समय माँ यशोदा के बाल मानो
At that time, Mother Yashoda's hairs
उनके घुंघराले वाली बाल यशोदा के
were scattered with the air.
इतने सुंदर हैं? वो भी हवा में ऐसे उड़ते जा रहे हैं। वो भी वर्णन होते
And
जा
flying in the air.
रहे हैं। और दूसरी क्या है? माँ यशोदा सुंदर
Mother
फूलों के
Yashoda's
द्वारा से श्रृंगार करके रखी है।
Was decorated her hairs with beautiful flowers.
गोविंद सेवा में माँ यशोदा जब दधिमंथन करने लगे,
When she started to
उस समय
do the
केशव के
Dadimanthan,
बहुत सुंदर श्रृंगार कर रखे हैं।
the churning of the butter for the service of Lord Krishna, at that time she was very beautifully decorated the flowers onto her head.
आदमी भी नहीं तो ठाकुर जी सुंदर श्रृंगार किया और अपने ऐसे चले गए ठाकुर के लिए कहां से क्या पूछना कहां से आ गया हाँ? इसलिए नहीं ठाकुर जी के श्रृंगार और उसके साथ ही साथ पुजारी की भी सुंदर बेस होनी चाहिए है कि नहीं है? पिछले साईं महाराज कहते थे सब समय ब्रह्मचारी सन्यासी कैसे रहे सब
So
समय
Swami Maharaj used to say that every time sannyasi brahmachari should be always tip top and fit.
आज समझ लीजिए उनके जब प्रश्न पूछा गया
So someone asked question like this for Swami Maharaj.
जो आपके ठाकुर जी सुंदर आज ठीक है तो मान लेते हैं
Your lords are so beautiful, okay, we'll accept.
कपड़े क्यों बनते हैं
But why your brahmacharis and sannyasis wear expensive clothes and always be perfect?
विचार कैसे दिखा आचार्य भी विचार
So this is the vichar of Acharya, these are thoughts of Acharya, yes.
गाड़ी मोच कर देखो हम लोग भारत में रहते हैं लोग समझ जाते हैं समझ में आते हैं किंतु विदेश में ऐसे गाड़ी भाड़ी रखे कतवरी हमारे भांति है कैसे हमारे भांति विदेश के लोग होते हैं ज्यादातर होते हैं उस समय विशेष करके स्वामी महाराज जिस समय अमेरिका में प्रचार कर रहे थे उस समय अधिक रूप में कौन से लोग थे हिप्पी के रूप गाड़ी मोच रहे शराब के बदल हाथे हाथे रखने वाले सिगरेट पीने वाले और गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ में रहने
So they were these hippies who are very degraded at that time. So Swami Maharaj was very intelligent.
जाने के लिए कदम नहीं ये सब खाते
So then he showed how to shave.
रहना पड़ेगा हम यह बात जानी रखे कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता पर यहाँ बाबा कहेंगे बात है कि तो विदेश में देखो अरे ये भी हमारे वहां भी ये कई हिप्पी है मेरे नहीं सब चिप टाप रखो
So everything should be perfect and tip top, neat and clean. Swami Maharaj.
आपके ब्रह्मचारी आप ऐसे क्यों करते
Somebody was asked, why does your brahmachari does like this? And even Swami Maharaj was always tip top.
और दूसरी बात भगवान की सेवा के लिए भी
So one, as per the country, time, place and circumstance, we have to do these things. And secondly, for the pleasure of the Lord, we should be decorated perfectly and nicely. Without getting the quality of the God, we cannot worship the God.
इससे सुंदर उदाहरण
Some quality of the Lord should be present in us.
जैसे देश ऐसे देश
Like how the country, like that, the decoration. In the Russia, you cannot wear the clothes like us.
दो तीन स्वेटर पहनिए
2-3 sweaters we wear and the jackets, that is also very formed and very big one. Like time, place and circumstance, everything will change and everything will be there.
पैर में जूता, वो भी जूता, ये जूता काम नहीं करता है। ये जूता जो है, हम लोग जो जूता पहन करके चलते हैं ना, ये जूता वही पर काम नहीं करने का। वो तो ये 10 मिनट के बाद आपके पैर है कि नहीं आपको पता नहीं चलेगा। जैसे देश में प्रचार करना है तो उसके साथ पड़ेगा। अच्छी तरह से बकरा देना। यहाँ पर जो है अमेरिका की पूजा के खाली दक्षिण देश में जाए खाली।
If you go south towards the southern side, so then you can only using the lunguti you can go. But if you go Siberian side, so less low temperature, you can stay without any clothes. No need to be statued. Stony, so low temperature automatically you will be stonified. Gopal is doing charm. Mother Jasoda is churning the butter for Bal Gopal. In the morning he is doing churning the butter.
लिखा है कौम वस्त्र, कौम शब्द है पवित्र और सूक्ष्म वस्त्र धारण। गोपाल की सेवा पवित्र वस्त्र धारण। In order to serving Bal Gopal, Mother Jasoda took bath and using very nice pure cloth and made singer with the flowers. Is the significance that we have heard the beauty. Here Acharya Bhatt also going to describe the beauty of Mother Jasoda. The full flowers mano falling from his hair, from her head and falling on the ground. The flowers are they are wanting to tell, you are not alone, I am also with you. He is doing singer. The flowers also undulating. Let us go. We should catch Holy Krishna. You are not alone. I am also with you. Can you understand? In the same way, the milk from the chest, from the breast of mothers also oozing outside and wetting the cloth. What is the nature of the Vatsalya Melo, on the Vatsalya Ras? And then the water is oozing out from the the breast and wetting the cloth. My Mother Jasoda also, in order to capture Bal Gopal, running towards how Mother Jasoda is so beautiful. Someone used to speak, Mother Jasoda is white color, Gode, means golden color. But Acharya Bhatt is explaining not blackish, not fully golden color. Someone used to speak, this Kanaya is Nanda Jasoda. Hey, Kanaya, this Mother Jasoda, not your mother. Because your mother is golden color, but why you are blackish? But Acharya Bhatt is explaining that Nanda Maharaj is also golden color. Mother Jasoda something black, something little blackish color. That time mothers are so beautiful. Beauty of Mother Jasoda is even explaining. When Mother Jasoda is explaining, holding the stick on his hand and her hairs running towards here and there, and flowers are falling on the ground. Mother Jasoda also not alone. Flowers are Pavane Bho Vaishnavi Bho Namo.